Hi everyone. Today on the bench we have a Denon AVR-1513 surround receiver. This is from 2012. It was production and for sale from 2012 to 13. It's a very excellent uh, audio video receiver by Denon. It has a 5-channel output and 75 watt per channel, and it has a you can see it has a HDMI in one in front also, and also portable in where you can all any digital device you can input from here as an auxiliary. And also on the back side it has a 3 HDMI in and 1 out for 3D. And they also introduce a graphic user interface overlay on the display when you connect with the TV. And here it says 5 channel 110 watt, but only the main speaker they deliver 110 watt peak. The surround one they do 75. It has a discrete amplifier also, and signal to noise ratio is 98 dB, which is standard, and the speaker load impedance can be from 6 to 16. Usually is 8 ohms, but with the combination you can do. It's quite heavy, around 8 kilos of the weight, and yeah, it's a good equipment for the average price, and Denon is a good mark. It's the budget one basically, not very expensive. There are not many available new on the market because it's almost 12-year-old model, but yeah, they have very good features like Dolby True HD and DTS-HD master audio format, which is a very good feature also. And I was looking on the net to see if there are any available for sale on the internet, to see the prices. The sold prices, they vary from 185 euro, 100 to 150 and 200 also. At the moment they are for sale. One is on sale on the eBay USA for $98, of course, and one in Germany for $100, and somebody selling in the France for 280. I think this is overkill, because when this was new it was around 300 euro price. I would say. I can check how much was the price for new when it was launched, because there are so the new price was 340 euros in the Europe in the 2012. So I would say that price the French gentleman is selling is too much, but there are several available. One is available in the Denmark also. They are selling in Danish krone for 500 Danish krones. So plenty available on the market. One here is also available in Netherlands on market plots. Is posted on 6th of September for 85 euros, which is very good price. I mean, for this kind of amplifier and the audio video receiver, because Denon is a good mark, and they use high quality audio components in their products. So this is the on off, if you see, and then you have the audio source select. So this is a cable, satellite, game, auxiliary, tuner, Blu-ray. Let's see if it has a tuner built in. I don't. Oh yes, it has a tuner built in, AM FM tuner built in. You can see FM displays, a Blu-ray, a DVD, TV audio. So it has a plenty of inputs. You have this for tuners preset channel selection. This is a dimmer for the screen. You can use how bright you want, and this is a just a quick one to select, like auxiliary quick preset select game and the Blu-ray and the cable and satellite and auxiliary. You have headphone output also, so, and a very nice knob. You can see up till main volume, very good. So I'll show you on the back side, then we're gonna do the sound test. So we are on the back side now. This is the power input, of course, and this is the antenna for AM and FM, and this is the cable and satellite input. This is for the DVD. Oh, it has a subwoofer out also, which is good. And this is a digital input. So you have a coaxial cable and also the fiber optical input. That's very good. And you have 3 HDMI, and this is HDMI out for the monitor. You have monitor here for cable, satellite, and the DVD. And these are the speakers basically. These are the main speakers front, and you can see from 6 to 16 ohms any speakers they can plug in. These are the center, right surround, and the left surround. So we're not going to test all the surround. We're just going to put the front speakers and some audio source input to do the sound test shortly. So I thought it would be great idea if we can also add the Denon CD player DCD-52AE to test this amplifier. This CD player is an excellent CD player made by Denon. It has a 32-bit 192 kilohertz digital to analog conversion, and this is a improvement basically from the DCD-720A with a 32-bit version of the processing they add up. It's an excellent one, and they are still on sale, and they are not very expensive. Basically, this also they launched in 2013 for 230 euros. Then they relaunch it. I see on the internet they are still available for 185 to 200. Excellent CD player, and it has a very good features. They use especially the improved high precision digital to analog receiver. Usually they are 24-bit or 16-bit, but it has a 32-bit which will process the digital to analog conversion much at faster rate, and this can also play CDR, CDRW, MP3, and WMA format. So any kind of audio CD can be played, and it has a 2-line fluorescent display, which is very beautiful. I personally like better than the normal LCD display or the LED display. These fluorescent display are very good, and yeah, controls are very easy, and so I thought that it is better to combine while doing the sound test of this Denon audio video receiver. We can also test the sound produced by this Denon DCD-520AE to see how 32-bit 192 kilohertz digital to analog converter basically do the job. So we hit the play. Sounds good. Let's play some other track. Excellent sound. I think you got the idea. Denon, I like personally, is a very good brand. They are very serious with their business, and they maintain the quality like Rotel. Rotel is also one of the good, and they keep the quality while producing audio equipment, and also they keep the various customer in their mind, so they made for the high end and for the average and affordable prices also. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know in the comments about this Denon equipment. What is your input about it? Until next time, bye bye.